Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by laying the stroller on a soft towel and unlocking the fold so you can inspect moving parts. This prevents surface damage and gives you access. Check the frame joints, wheels, and brake for visible wear or debris. This tells you whether cleaning or part replacement is next. Once done, point to any loose bolts and remove dust with a cloth. You'll use tools to tighten and silicone to lubricate. This first sweep saves time and prevents unnecessary disassembly. You now disassemble only the areas that showed problems. Start with wheels. Press the release pin, slide axles out, and inspect bearings and rollers for grime or damage. Replace if gritty. Next, open frame joints and remove exposed bolts, labeling each location and taking a quick photo so reassembly is straightforward. Clean metal parts with degreaser and a brush, dry thoroughly, then apply light silicone spray to sliding surfaces. This reduces friction, and you reassemble by reversing disassembly, reinstalling bolts and testing each joint after you snug them. Do not over-tighten because binding causes wear. Make sure wheels spin freely and brakes engage fully through the stroller's full motion cycle. Adjust axle position or add a flat washer where play remains. If a wobble persists, consider replacing the axle or hinge. A new part restores geometry. One key troubleshooting tip: if noise or play returns quickly, recheck torque and inspect nylon bushings for cracks. Those often fail first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.